Hello, I'm Teacher Tita from High Five Reading Tutorial Center. I upload videos about tips in teaching reading to your beginner readers and struggling readers. If you're interested in those topics, feel free to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified with our latest videos. Every single day, without fail, we always get inquiries in our Facebook page asking about our reading program. Although our BA teacher is very responsive in our page and is always available to answer any questions, there are some parents who prefer video presentation. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about our reading program, scheduling, price, and frequently asked questions. Now, we start with our reading program. Now, the foundation of our reading program is more on phonemic awareness and phonics. So when we say phonemic awareness, that's the understanding that the spoken English word is made up of individual sound called phonemes. We really discourage in teaching your child with pictures because there are tendencies that a child will look at in the picture instead of decoding the word or reading the word. The child will just look at the picture and will say cat, and then there's a picture of a cat beside. So in teaching your child how to read the high five way, we always teach the skill in decoding. When we say decoding, that is reading the word sound-based reading. Again, now talking about the price of the program. Now our rate, our regular rate is 2,600. That's for 12 sessions, for the entire 12 sessions. And every session has 30 minutes. So our class is 3 times a week. You can choose MWF or DTHS, and then your preferred time, we will be asking of your preferred time as long as it is within 8:30 to 5 p.m. Now we actually have lock-up programs. Now on your second month, if you want to avail the 3 months lock-up, which is more savings because instead of paying 2,600 per month or per 12 sessions, you will only pay 2,000 per month for the 3 months lock-up. And then we have 2 installment plans if you like to avail installment plans. And then for 1,800 per month, that is for 6 months lock-up. For 6 months lock-up, we do have 3 installment plans. As you can notice, the longer you stay in the program, the more savings. So instead of paying 2,600 every single month, you can have it for as low as 1,800 only. Feel free to message us for installment procedure. Now, there are some times that there is emergencies on our end. Maybe the teacher has no internet connection, which is the most common problem, or power interruption. Then we will inform you that we cannot handle the class, and then we will be scheduling for makeup class. Or if not makeup class, we will extend the number of sessions to make up for the missed session, ensuring that you will be completing your 12 sessions. Now let's go to frequently asked questions. Is it effective? Like the program, is it really effective? Well, the answer to that is maybe. No, I'm joking. Yes, it's effective. Based on the reviews of their parents in our Facebook page, we really get a lot of reviews from time to time. Like every month, may review na nagpa-pop up, and we are very, very overwhelmed with those positive reviews. Pushes us to strive hard to be excellent in our services and in our program. Yeah, based on the reviews from parents, the program is effective. And there's this one story that really touched my heart, and that's the story of Mommy Myra. I think I posted her story in our Facebook page with her permission, of course. And she's very eager actually to share her experience, her learning journey, the learning journey of her son, because she's just so amazed of the transformation. Just to give you a background, yung son niya is diagnosed with cognitive delay plus may speech delay. So pabalik-balik na sa kindergarten. I think 3 years siyang nag-kindergarten. Hindi siya ma-move forward to grade 1 because kulang nga yung kaalaman niya and baka mabihind siya for grade 1. So kahit 6-7 years old siya, nasa kindergarten pa lang siya. And then it took him 3 years bago siya na promote to grade 1. And his age that time was already 8 or 9 years old. Long story short, the transformation was really amazing, and even his relatives have seen the improvement, the transformation, like total transformation, because this child was, when I first assessed him, that's part of the program, that when you enroll, there's an assessment so that we will know what to give you, how to customize your child's lesson. When I first assessed him, zero talaga yung knowledge niya sa reading. Hindi nakakabasa, hindi nakakasound ng individual letter, that's why hindi siya nakakabasa ng even 3-letter words like CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. Zero talaga. And after like months in the program, the mom, Mommy Myra, actually saw just a little improvement. And yeah, after so many months, na-transform siya from a non-reader to someone who is fluent reader and very good speller. So yeah, that I can say that the program is effective. Hindi lang siya gawa-gawa na story. Bakit 30 minutes lang? Hindi ba sobrang eksi lang ng time? The reason why we make it 30 minutes so that your child will not be exposed too much in radiation. Alam naman natin sa online learning, di ba? Nakaharap siya sa PC. And the 30 minutes is just enough. It's enough na ma-teach namin yung important skill na dapat niyang i-master when teaching him or her how to read. And the 30 minutes is a healthy time na ma-expose siya to radiation, like nakaharap sa PC. I think too much na yung 1 hour. For a beginner reader, like we're talking about 3, 4, 5 years old, and maybe 8 or 9 years old. So, too much na po yung 1 hour. And you know, kids have short attention span. So, yeah, 30 minutes is ample time for us to transfer the learnings and for us to train the child to be a fluent reader. Ang mahal naman ng 2,600. Worth it ba yung babayaran ko? Yung anak ko hindi pa naman nakaka-read. Okay, the regular rate or regular price is 2,600, and my answer to that is, if yung future ng pag-uusapan ng anak mo, I don't think so na 2,600 is mahal. I think 2,600 is very cheap. When talking about laying the important skill, the important foundation in learning. Why I say important foundation? Napakahalaga po ng reading. You can't be an achiever if you don't know how to read. You can't be someone who is a person who knows, who is very knowledgeable if you don't know how to read. So as early as 3, 4 years old, we really instill the value of reading to our kids. So yeah, that's my answer. If we're talking about the future of your kids, then 2,600